Hello, my name is Joshua and today I'm going to show you how to cook crema catalana, a traditional recipe of Spain. And the ingredients are milk, cornstarch, sugar, eureka lemon, cinnamon, and egg yolks.
Yes.
We begin grating the lemon. Once we have the lemon zest, we add some cinnamon and put it to boil. While the milk is boiling, we are going to begin to whisk the egg yolks with the sugar. We need to grate the cornstarch with some water. And we add it to the yolks and the sugar. Once we have our milk boiling, we add the egg yolks with the sugar and the cornstarch and forma de hilo. Once we have our crema catalana ready, we put it in little ramekins. And this is the final result. I use a strawberry and a raspberry to decorate because I don't have a soplete to caramelize the sugar.